arrest him. They will take him into the darkness to mock trials before Annas and Caiaphas, the high priests.
Then they led Jesus from Caiaphas to the praetorium. And it was early morning. But
Thursday began, you remember, said, where are we going to have the Passover? There's 13 of us. Where are we going to
has it that this is where Caiaphas, Judas, and the surrounding rulers plotted to kill Jesus. And
met in Jerusalem, and it names them, Annas and Caiaphas and John and Alexander and the other members of the high priest family.
In chapter 11, verse 49, Caiaphas making his...
The time of Jesus, and it's in the traditional area of the house of Caiaphas, as we hear about it from...
One of them, Caiaphas, says, you know nothing.
In a courtyard outside of Caiaphas's home, Caiaphas is the high priest, no more than 2,000 to 3,000 feet from where